Okay, good morning students. So already we have completed our exercise 2.4. So today we are going to start the exercise 2.5, but before starting the exercise 2.5, I want all of you to remember these identities. So there are 8 identities which you have to learn for this chapter polynomials, in which using these identities you are going to solve this your exercise 2.5. So first identity is x plus y whole square is x square plus 2x plus y square. Number 2 is your x minus y whole square equal to x square minus twice x plus y square. Next is your x square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. Number 4 is x plus a into x plus b is x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Number 5 is x plus y whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Identity number 6 is x plus y whole cube, that is you have learned as your a and b, but now you are in class 9, so you have to learn as your x and y, that is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy bracket x plus y. Identity 7 is x minus y whole cube, that is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy bracket x minus y. And the last identity is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, that is equal to x plus y plus z whole multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So then here you have to learn all these 8 identities to solve your exercise 2.5. Okay, so I will be doing some of the questions, not all the questions. You have to do it by yourself. Okay, so I'll start with exercise 2.5. that is the first question, that is x plus 4 into x plus 10. So if you compare this, it is coming identity number 4, isn't it? That is x plus a into x plus b, isn't it? So using this identity 4, that is x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. So our equation will be x square plus 14x plus 40 equals to 0. So this is the simple answer of the x1 part. Suppose if I take for question number, suppose 3, that is 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. Okay, so here you can do one thing, you can use your simple associative rule, that is 9x square minus 15x plus 12x minus 20, that is answer is 9x square minus 3x minus 20. Okay, that is equal to 0. So this way you can expand the parts for question number 1. Okay, so next is question number 2. Evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. Okay, so out of this 3 question, let me take question number 2, that is 95 into 96. So if I can take like this, instead of this I can write this, and instead of 96 I can write this. So it is x plus x minus a into x minus b, but you have learned your identity as your x plus a into x plus b. What you have learned is as your x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, isn't it? So it is 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4. So you can take 100 square plus a value is minus 5, b value is also minus 4x plus minus 5 into minus 4, that is so x is your 100, so we have to write 100, so it will be minus 900 plus 20. So 10020 minus 900, so it is coming to, so it is coming this way, that is 9120. So our answer is right or wrong, simply we can multiply and see on the side by direct multiplying, isn't it? So here also see direct multiplication and using identity. Okay, so like this way you have to do. Okay, next is question number 3. Factorize the following using appropriate identity. Now you have to factorize. Factorize means what? You have to make it small. Okay, so suppose question number 2, that is 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So already I have taught you what you have to do. You have to multiply. Now you have to using simple, so I can use like this. So if you see here, before y it is minus, that means it is following under this identity. Always remember, whenever you have a quadratic polynomial, always go for the symbol of your variable, that is the second variable. So before y it is minus, so we have to use this formula. If it was plus of before the middle term, then you have to go for this identity. Okay, now I'm writing a and b, that is you have to write x minus y. So I think it will be falling under identity number 2. So this is your x square minus of twice x is your this, y will be your this, plus 1 whole square. So if you see your identity number this, so we are making it this way, x square. So this is the first part, twice x square minus 2 is there, x is the twice y, it is coming the y, and next is the y. So if you see, it is coming under x minus y whole square, that is identity number 2, that is 2y minus 1 and 2y minus 1. So factorize means you have to break it. Okay, so since there are 2 equal parts, so we are writing 2 parts together. Okay, suppose let me take 3, that is this. So if you see, it is simply a square minus b square identity, so I can write in this way. So if I want to break this, it will be a plus b into a minus b, simple. Okay. Okay, next is question number 4, that is expand each of the following using identity. Now you have to expand it. Expand means you have to make it big. Okay, so if you see here, it is a plus b plus c whole square. So I think you have to go for this identity where all the values are what? Positive. So you have to follow identity number 5. So in the exam also you have to write. Okay, so what is identity number 4? X square plus second part whole square plus third plus whole square plus twice of first into second part plus twice of second into third part plus twice of third part into your first part. So what is the answer? X square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 4xy plus 16yz plus 8 zx. So this is the answer of your question number 1 for question number 1. Okay, next you see, next question is 2x minus y plus z whole square. Now your first part is positive, second is negative, third part is your positive. Okay, simply your same identity. So first part whole square plus second part whole square plus third part whole square plus twice of twice x into minus y plus twice of minus y into your third part plus z into twice x. So what will be the answer here? 4x square plus y square plus z square, plus minus will be minus 4xy, plus minus again it will be twice yz plus 4zx. So this is the third answer, question number 2 answer. Okay, so in this way we do the expand part this way. Okay.